How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's talk about the BAS ATK Ghost mouse setting. So I'm inside the homepage of the ATK Gear Hub, and basically, of course, you want to first select the mouse that you are using. In our case, it's going to be the ATK Ghost. Inside this page, we will then be taken to the mouse configuration right beside our screen, which is going to be this one. So the first thing that you want to add is the DPI setting. Now, there's a lot of DPI settings out there, but in most cases, the best setting is going to be 800. So you want to set something like 400, 800, 1600, and lastly, 3200 on this specific page right here, making sure that you have access to this great DPI settings out there. But if you're looking for the truly best DPI setting, in most cases, it's going to be 800 as more pro players use this specific DPI. From there, let's click on the performance setting, and for the polling rate, which is once again one of the most important settings on this mouse, you then want to turn this to 1K and above. Now take note that basically turning this up to 2K, 4K, or 8K will increase the battery right here, or will increase the battery cost. So when you use something like 8K, it will then turn the battery calculation down. This same concept applies with your RGB lights. So if you want a longer battery life, you want to turn on your RGB, or you want to turn off the RGB lights. From there, let's navigate through parameter setting. And then from here, just make sure the motion synchronization is turned on. Basically, with this one, it will apply a smoothing algorithm to make our mouse movement more accurate, especially when we play games like Apex Legends, allowing us to track our targets smoothly. Now for the other options right here, it's completely optional to turn this on or off. Basically, the other setting that's once again important is the key bounce delay. Just select the 1ms. Basically, this prevents duplicate or accidental triggering caused by rapid mouse button or double clicks or jitter. And for the sleep time setting, of course, once again, you want to set this according through your preference. Now, that's basically everything you need to know about the ATK Ghost best mouse setting. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.